Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find an Amazon account number. Now it is very important to make a distinction between general Amazon customer account and an Amazon Web Services account. Now, this difference is key to understanding where account numbers are relevant. Here's a breakdown. For standard Amazon customer accounts at Amazon.com, you have no explicit account number. Typical Amazon customer accounts used for shopping on Amazon.com primarily rely on your email address or mobile phone number as the identifier. There isn't a publicly visible account number in the way that a bank account has a number. And your login credentials, that is your email, phone number, and password, are what identify your account. But for Amazon Web Services accounts, AWS accounts used for cloud computing services, they do have a 12-digit account number. This number is used to identify your AWS resources. You can find your AWS account number when you're logged into the AWS Management Console. Where to find the AWS account number? When you log into the AWS Management Console, your account number will be visible in the upper right-hand corner of the web page. In summary, if you're a regular Amazon shopper, you don't need to look for an account number. Your email phone number is your identifier. But if you're using the AWS services, then you do have an account number that is easily located within the AWS Management Console. Hope this clarifies the situation.